Energy Suspension has been making performance polyurethane products for over 40 years. One of these great products is our line of leaf spring and shackle bushing sets. Today, we are installing a set of our leaf spring and shackle bushings to this Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive 6-lug. Start by removing this hardware, as it is crucial to getting to the leaf spring, shackle, and bump stop. Now that the main bracket has been removed, you can begin removing the main bolts as seen here. The goal is to completely remove the leaf spring. Now that the leaf spring is out of the truck, you can begin addressing each individual bushing. Make sure you have a clear area to work. Start by removing the shackle, as it's crucial to getting to all the bushings. We recommend using an air hammer if you have one available. If not, you can use a hammer and chisel, but understand it will take a lot longer to remove the bushings. The first bushing you address is a 2-sided flange bushing. Once you get the first one out, you will need to remove the other side. Now you are ready to remove the bushing out of the shackle. You can place the shackle in a vice grip for better stability and control. Utilize your air hammer to press out the stock bushings. For enhanced success, make sure to address the bushings from multiple angles. You are now ready to remove the stock bushings from the final position of the leaf spring. This one is a single bushing, so you will have to get creative when removing it. We found the most success when utilizing this tool. However, it resulted in a bushing exiting at very high speeds. Remember, safety first. Now that all the stock bushings have been removed, it's time to start cleaning the original hardware and prep the new components with our Formula 5 grease. Follow these methods for the proper way to add grease to your polyurethane and hardware. Once all bushings and hardware have been greased accordingly, you can begin pressing the new bushings in. You can use any excess grease to grease the inside of the hardware positions. We recommend a good set of alligator pliers for pressing the new sleeves into the bushings as seen here. Excess grease from this can be used to grease the inside of the shackle. Before installing the leaf spring, we recommend applying never seize to the original bolts. As a reminder, you will want to add our Formula 5 grease to any polyurethane component that comes into contact with metal and moves. This will help avoid squeaking over time. Now that you have installed your new bushings, you are ready to put back the leaf spring. Having a second person makes this part easier. When reinstalling the leaf spring, we ran into trouble with certain components not lining up. We utilized a jack and ratchet straps to help get things lined up. Once we got everything lined up, it was time to reinstall the original bracket with new polyurethane bump stops. Once everything has been reinstalled, you can tighten all bolts and then torque to factory specs. This is how everything should look once properly installed. See here for a side-by-side comparison of the original factory leaf spring bushings and our performance polyurethane bushings.